Good day to you, dear students. In today's sessions, we are going to solve question number 2, Cambridge O Level Physics 5054. This is May 2025 paper. In the last sessions, we have solved question number 1, and today's session is all about question number 2. Let me start question number 2 together, and we will solve question number 2 on our worksheets in a detail. This is a question number 2. First of all, we will read question statement very carefully. The speed time graph show part of a journey of a bicycle for time of 10 seconds. It means we have given speed and time graph. It means we have to understand the science behind speed and time graph. This is journey of 10 seconds. Total time is 10 seconds. I can say this is a total time of journey. What is the distance? We have to find this one. This is our question. What is the distance that bicycle travel in 10 seconds? This is very important point that is given here. We have to find distance for time. Given time is 10 seconds. Let me start speed and time graph on our worksheet. What is speed and time graph? A well-known classical equation. You all students know that distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. This is the formula behind this graph. Here I can write distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. This is a very well known classical equations. If I write a mathematical expression here for area, let we have a rectangle whose length is L and width is W, then area will be length multiplied by width. You can see clearly equation number 1 and equation number 2 are identical. Here distance is related to area and speed is related to length and time is related to width. It means distance is nothing. Distance is just area under speed and time graph. It means I can write distance as area under velocity time graph or speed time graph. Area under this one, speed and time graph. Speed and time graph as if this is length and this is W. If this one is a graph, then that area will show mathematical expression for area. It means this area under graph will be equals to the area of half of this rectangles. We can say that. Similarly, this distance is actually what? This distance is area under speed and time graph. This is same as that mathematical expression shows. So we have to find this area. This one. We have to find this area. This area will be equals to distance. This area will be equals to distance. How we can find area under this graph? This overall shape is a trapezium. You can calculate this area by formula of trapezium. Otherwise, there are other methods. I am using indirect method. I am not applying any formula for trapeziums. First of all, I will redraw this graph again. See very carefully. This is a graph. Here is a 0 and here is a 10 and here is a 4. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Our graph is going to these directions. We have to find the area of this one, this portion, not these portions. First of all, I will divide the area in two parts. Now I have two shapes. First is rectangles and second is triangles. First of all, we have to find the area of this rectangle. Its one side is 1 and other side is 10. So its area will be equals to 1 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 10. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. This is a triangular shape. We have to find its area. First of all, we will find out area of this whole bigger rectangle, this one. First of all, we will find the area of this rectangle and then we will half the area of this rectangles. How? Its one side is how much? Its one side is 1, 2 and 3. It means this side is 3 and this one side is again 10. This is again 10. So its area is 3 multiplied by 10 is equals to 30. We not need the overall area of this rectangles. We just need a half of the area. So its half will be 15. So our overall area is what? This 15 and this 10. This is 15 and this is 10. The overall area is 25 meter. It means area under our graph is 25 meter. Let's comes to the point. I have divided this into two parts. This black portion area is how much? This is 10. This portion, or for simplicity, this is 15. The overall is 25. So our answer is 25 meter. What examiners can change here? How he can play with you? This is very simple. Let me show you. First of all, I have to erase all this for your understanding. Let's say question is not so easy. It makes somehow difficult level. How it can be difficult for you? First of all, I just change the statement slightly. How things change, you will notice here. First of all, the speed time graph shows the part of the journey of the bicycle for time of 10 seconds. Examiner choose this statement as it. What is the distance that the bicycle travel in 10 seconds? I just change this number. I'm just going to change this number into 5 seconds. Now the whole story will change. This is exactly what examiner trying to find. This is our next question. Now we have to find this area, not this area. Now you will just simply divide this rectangle into two parts. Just divide into two parts. You cannot include this one. First of all, find the area of this one, and second, the find of the area of this triangle. How? Let me show you. This is very easy for you. I will just give a hint for you. this is its side of 1 and this is side of 5, so its area is 5. How much the area of this triangles? You can simply form a rectangle in such a way. This one, here is this one, this is a rectangle again. Its side is almost this is 1 up to this is 1, this is almost 0.2. I can write this is 1.2 and it is again 5. In this direction it's 5. So overall rectangle area is 1.2 multiplied by 5. You just half this 1.2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. It comes to almost 6. 1.2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, that is equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. It means half is 3, and here we find 5. So overall answer is 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 meter. If we just change the time of distance, what is the distance that bicycle travel in 5 seconds? We will just drive perpendicular on time axis 5, then we will calculate the area under this curve here up to this one. Again the strategy is same. We will divide the overall shape into two parts. One is rectangle and second is triangle. We will just find the area of rectangle by length and multiply by width, and to find out the area of this triangles we will find the overall area of this rectangle. This comes to 6 and then we will half the area. This one is a half. We not need the full area, we need just half. So half is 3 and finally added up to 8 meter. So overall distance covered will be 8 meter in 5 seconds. This is all about question number 2. Thanks for watching.